Today we are making dock seed crackers. Dock is a perennial plant which is often found in disturbed grounds such as open fields and roadsides. By the end of the summer, they have grown tall flower stalks that bear edible seeds. When collecting the seeds, you can simply pull them off the stems. You will notice the seeds are surrounded by a hull or husk. This is known as the chaff. Traditionally, the chaff is removed through the process known as threshing and winnowing. However, today I'm leaving the chaff on the seed. The dock seeds need to be pulverized in order to create the flour for the crackers. And when making the crackers, you want to use a 50-50 ratio of dock flour to regular flour, and you can use any type of flour you choose. Begin by mixing the two flours together. Add salt and olive oil. Then you want to slowly add water and start to mix the water in with your hands to form the dough. And after working the water into the flour, you should eventually form the ball of dough. Next, on a floured surface, you're going to roll out the dough into a thin sheet about 1/8 of an inch thick. And just a note on the dock flour, in order to make this, you can either grind it with a mortar and pestle, or you can use a food processor or blender. After the dough is rolled out, brush it with oil. After that, you're going to cut the shape of your crackers. You can measure out squares as I'm doing here, or you can get creative and make other shapes, even using cookie cutters to have more creative shapes if you like. And then gently prick the top of the dough with a fork. Transfer the crackers onto a cookie sheet. Using some sort of pastry cutter or spatula might be helpful for this. And arrange the crackers on a cookie sheet with enough room between them so air can circulate. Bake them in an oven for 12 to 15 minutes at 450. And when taking them out, they might still appear undercooked, but they'll finish cooking when they're out of the oven on the cookie sheet. Dock crackers are a delicious treat that will surely add delight to any palate. Try them today, and if dock is not available, try making homemade crackers with regular flour, or use any other wild edible plant that can be processed into flour. Experiment with what you have available. Enjoy.